Hey folks, Ryan Raak here, coming at you from my home office, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So I want to thank you for grabbing right up above here, if you haven't downloaded it yet. Right up above is the MLM checklist, funnel checklist, to help you understand, what funnels are, how to use them in network marketing, how to automate your business, whether that's something you're ready for. Um, that it's a guide. It's a fairly extensive guide to help bring you through that to see if you're ready. If you are ready, there's a couple of other things that you need. So let me step back. For me, when I was done, when I was like, I'm no longer chasing family and friends. I need to figure out how to automate so that I can free up my time so my team continue to build without me. And so I want to automate. I want to be able to build my business without talking to family and friends or chasing family and friends and all that kind of stuff. This is what I turn to. I turn to, funnels and automation and systems. Um, but it took me years. I mean, it took me I believe three and a half years to get everything where it finally worked and to where, um, well, really that's it, to get things to work. So I want to speed up that process for you. So I've got some additional trainings right down below. We've got the Success Hacks training, and which is a 5 module training. You can, again, the link's right down below. There's also let's see, what was the other thing I put down there for you? Let me just double check here. Success hacks. Oh, and the smart marketing system, which is going to give you, a glimpse into how I get 20, 30 people a week asking me and scheduling time with me to talk and asking me to contact them, stuff like that. So there's a couple other trainings. The other thing that I want to offer you here is a free 15 to 20 minute discovery call. I'll call it a funnel discovery call to see if you have questions. Let me quickly answer whatever questions you have about funnels, how to implement them, how to what to do, what not to do, and so on. So I'm gonna put a link right down below for that as well. So you can schedule a quick kind of Q&A about funnels. And I'll give you a little bit of my time or one of my leaders' times just to be able to help you and make sure that it doesn't take you 3 years and thousands of dollars like it did me. So more stuff's down below. Make sure you get the checklist up above. Trainings down below. Schedule a call down below, and we want to just help you to succeed. And one last thing. There are other people. There's some other people out there that are talking about done for you downlines and let us build your downline and how to funnels. Yet they might know how to get leads and how to do some of that, but they're not using it to actually build a network marketing business. These are the tools and the things that I do to build my business on a daily basis, on a monthly basis. We have record numbers month after month after month, and it's because of these tools. I'll show you and tell you exactly what I'm using, not what, oh, I can help you do it, but I don't use it myself. That's not how this works. What I'm showing you and giving you and training you on is exactly what I do and what I use and what my team uses. So I just want you to know that. Don't be fooled. This is part of why it took me so long to figure out how this stuff works, is because I kept looking at some of these other people's stuff and what they're doing, and then I'd get into it and I'd pay them for things only to find out that they're not actually using it for network marketing. So if you're in network marketing trying to build your business faster, trying to automate, trying to systematize, trying to use funnels and do all that, create bigger leverage, be able to have stuff. It's just a better way of building your business, but learn it from somebody who's doing it, like actively. And I'm not going to try to recruit you into my business. Okay. I just want you to be able to see it being done and see how we do it from somebody who actually is doing it, not somebody who is saying, oh yeah, I'll help you with that, even though that's not what they do themselves. So just a quick forewarning out in case you run into some of those other folks out there. All right. Take care. To your success. I want to help you succeed. Just schedule a call, check out the other trainings below, and I hope to talk to you soon. All right, thanks.